Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 60. Meet Butch Cassidy, the brains of the Wild Bunch, notorious for outsmarting lawmen with daring heists across the American West. Born Robert Leroy Parker in 1866, Cassidy, alongside the Sundance Kid, led a life of legendary bank and train robberies, always a step ahead of capture. Known for his strategic brilliance and preference for non-violence, Cassidy's escapades culminated in a daring escape to South America. The mystery deepens with their supposed demise in a Bolivian shootout in 1908, leaving behind tales of possible survival. Butch Cassidy remains an enduring symbol of Wild West cunning and adventure,